the tree behind me. Yo, what's up guys? It is Dan, and today we're gonna be doing a vlog which I'm gonna try something, but yeah, let's do it. Okay, that was cringe. As you see, there's wild birds. Oh, where are they? Sorry. Wait a minute. Gonna try to find some wild birds, cause I need a bird. Okay. Hello, my beautiful bird. How's it going? No reaction or? Oh, okay. It say something like, oh, good. Do you want a roomie? Do you want a roomie, little bird? I don't know, but okay. But how do I get birds? That's a good question. Are those birds? Do we see some? Oh, I saw one over there, but it ran away. Trying so hard to get some roomie for my bird, but it doesn't work. How am I gonna get a roomie? What? Could maybe use that bird over there? No, that bird is too big. Let's cut. If I would be a bird, where would I be? I just saw one over there, but birds like trees. Of course, the tree behind me. But oh no, I must get the bird. It's so important. Like, oh, come little bird. It just ran away from me, did it? Wait, is that another bird over there? I'm gonna try catching it. Is that a bird? Two birds. Yes. Could maybe have something for him. Oh, okay. They ran on me, away from me again. Hello, bird. I need a bird, but they always run away. No. Hello, bird. I need a bird, but they always run away. No. Okay, a kitty cat likes me. Just look at that. Okay. You want that? Yeah, I knew you wanted that. Why is it so hard to catch a bird? Yeah. Okay. Since I can't catch a bird, what am I gonna do? Hear a bird somewhere, and I think it's that one over there. No. Or would be that one. Need that for thumbnail. I took a thumbnail picture. So this should be good. I can't catch bird. So this is what is the answer to life. Dan can't catch bird. But my cat can't catch bird. Great idea. This should maybe be what I should do. Oh, my beautiful kitty. Oh, since I can't catch bird, can you catch bird for me? Okay, you just freeze. So that's a no. What else I could do? No. Maybe do something like work exercise like this. Cause I really need muscles and speed. So yeah, I'm gonna do this for a little time, like 15 minutes. What else I could do? No. Maybe do something like work exercise like this. Cause I really need muscles and speed. So yeah, I'm gonna do this for a little time, like 15 minutes. So it's Monta's time. It's every day, bro, with the digital flow 5 million meaning one. And then on the home, I'm gonna petition man, Peter Plays. And I think I'm gonna play no next. And I'm in number 2. And I'm coming with the crew. This is Teen 10. This montage wasn't any good. I didn't get you a roomie, but yeah. Yeah, how do you feel, my bud? What? No comment? Okay, no comment, but I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.